Hello everybody. Well, I'm slowly making my garage mine by adding a few decorations here and there just to make it feel more like a man's garage, and got some license plates to throw up on the walls. So here's my collection of license plates of states that we've lived in, and got my Lamborghini poster, a map of the current state we live in, and our Doberman gang poster. So I came across some really cool license plates on Temu, and they were really cheap, $4 each. Let's look at what I got. All right, our first one, Back to the Future, Out of Time, California. So that one's pretty cool. Let's see the next one we got here. My hands work. We got Illinois, Nervous, Land of Lincoln, Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Let's look at the next one we got here. Robin 1, Hawaii, Aloha, Magnum PI. That's a cool one. And let's see our last one, another Back to the Future. The Future license plate, which I don't remember. Maybe it was 2015. Yeah, because I think we did have that date a while back. So there they are. So how's the quality on these? Well, they were $4 each. They are metal, so that is cool. And the rim does have a raise around the outside to stiffen them up a little bit. A couple of them had bent corners, which wasn't great, but they bent right back into shape. But one thing I am a little not nervous, but disappointed. I see nervous. But one thing I'm a little disappointed with is they're just printed on. So the pictures made them look like they were kind of like real raised license plates, but it is just printed on there. So when you look at them close, they look a little cheesy. But let's get them up on the wall and see how they look. Let's put them right there. That's better. So there they are. And that's how they look on the garage. They're about 9 feet up in the air on a garage wall. And I think I like them. I think they're worth it. You know, $4 each. If you have like a high-end game room or something like that, I don't know if you'd want to put them in because they're a little cheesy when you get up close, once again. But from a distance, up with the rest of the license plates, we got still some room for some more, some sort of memorabilia, or maybe if we move again, but then we won't be here, so that wouldn't actually work. But there they are, Robin 1, 2 Back to the Futures, Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Do you have a favorite? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you not care? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.